Can an LLC deduct charitable contributions? Yes, an LLC can deduct charitable contributions, but how the deduction is claimed and its tax implications depend on the LLC's tax classification. Here's a detailed explanation. 1. LLC Tax Classification. Single member LLC, disregarded entity. Treated as part of the owner's personal tax return. Charitable contributions are reported as personal deductions on the owner's Schedule A, itemized deductions. Contributions are subject to individual limits, generally up to 60% of adjusted gross income, depending on the type of donation. Multi-member LLC, partnership. Contributions are passed through to members based on their ownership percentages. Each member reports their share of the donation on their individual tax return if itemizing deductions. LLC taxed as a C corporation. The LLC can deduct charitable contributions directly on its corporate tax return up to 10% of its taxable income. Excess contributions can generally be carried forward for up to 5 years. LLC, taxed as an S corporation. Charitable contributions pass through to the members, who claim them on their individual tax returns, subject to individual deduction limits. 2. Eligible charitable contributions. The IRS allows deductions for contributions made to qualified 501c3 organizations or other eligible charities. Types of eligible donations include cash contributions, direct monetary gifts, in-kind contributions, donations of property, goods, or inventory, valued at fair market value. Services. While the value of services is not deductible, certain expenses related to performing services for a charity, travel, or supplies may be deductible. 3. Steps to deduct charitable contributions. Step 1. Ensure the charity is qualified. Verify the organization's tax-exempt status with the IRS. Step 2. Document the donation. Retain receipts or acknowledgement letters for all contributions. Step 3. Report the contribution. Single-member LLC, claim the deduction on the owner's Schedule A. Multi-member LLC, allocate the deduction to members via Schedule K1. C Corporation, deduct directly on the corporate tax return, Form 1120. S Corporation, pass the deduction to members via Schedule K1. Step 4. Adhere to contribution limits. Calculate the deduction amount within applicable limits. Step 5. File the necessary tax forms. Include required forms and documentation when filing taxes.